Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, what I want to do is this unboxing. Now this is not a crafty video, so if you don't care about desk accessories or office accessories, you can just go ahead and skip this video if you wish. But yeah, I love to be, if you're like me and you love to be surrounded by everything pretty, because that is how you're inspired when you do your makes, your crafty makes. If you're like me, you also like to put pretty things around you and on your desk, right? So a while back, I mentioned how I was so much into keyboards, and I blame that on the girls from TikTok, the ones who are constantly changing and switching and doing their own keyboards to make them sound creamy. That's a terminology that they use, and it's like so comfortable to hear. And if you're facing a computer screen all day long, I think that this type of keyboard is something that you would appreciate. Now, I bought this keyboard with my own money, okay, based on the reviews and what I heard with my own ears on TikTok. So I am hoping that the girls who are pushing this keyboard were truthful about how it sounds and, most importantly, how it feels when you are just typing the day away. So yeah, let's go ahead and do this unboxing. Now, I found this very keyboard on TEMU, same exact brand and everything. I mean, I checked 1,000 times before I hit buy now. And the reason why I ordered it from TEMU is because, number one, I got free shipping, and number two, it was something like $10 less than what they were selling it on TikTok for, So every little bit helps, right? So let's go ahead and now I'm not that well versed. I'm not well versed at all. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not well versed at all on the specifications of the keyboards and so forth and so on. What makes them creamy, what makes them sound really, really well. And so, okay, this keyboard is, it says it has a gasket structure. Now, I do know something about that. The type of gasket that they use is the type of sound that you get, okay? And of course, it's a mechanical keyboard, and it has a cool backlight effect. Now, we may or may not see the backlight effect on this unboxing, and that's simply because I have Apple products, and sometimes these backlight effects do not work properly when you're hooking it up to an Apple system, but they do work 100% when you have Windows. I will leave you with my link to it if you wish to purchase it. Whether or not you use my link, it doesn't make a difference to me. Let's see, this is all not in my language, but I already know how to hook up a keyboard. So, and right here they give you some stuff about your keyboard, and it has a number thing. See, currently I'm using this. What I like about this is that, number one, it's pretty, and number two, it's small. Okay, so it doesn't occupy a lot of space, but sometimes I do miss my keys over here. So, and because I like really creamy keyboards. So yeah, I bought it for that. It's not that I needed it, it's just that I wanted it, type of thing. So yeah, let's go ahead and take it out of this box. Okay, it's rather heavy. Alrighty, it's not a lightweight thing or anything like that, so it seems to me that it's heavy. Oh, look, I really, really like this. Don't throw this away, ladies, because whenever you're not using it, right there, anti-dust. Okay, so let me set this to the side. And so it's packaged really, really nicely. It's heavy, and it's supposed to sound nicely. Oh my gosh, listen to this. Here, let me put it closer. Oh my gosh, I think I have finally reached keyboard heaven. This is like the 5th keyboard that I've purchased in a year because I like different ones. And then I just, when I'm tired of it, I just give it away, right? And so that pink one is about to go bye-bye. And oh my gosh, I think I found keyboard heaven. Or how we would say keyboard peace, right? Just like whenever you find planner peace, I found keyboard peace. Oh my goodness. So let me go ahead and hook this up. Okay, so I was about to hook this up and let me show you what I found. Right over here, it's rather heavy. I guess it's because it has all the good gaskets and everything. Okay, you find the SUV, the USB. It's going to be right along here. I'm thinking this is an on-off button is what I'm thinking, okay? And in the box, alrighty, I was about to chunk the box, and in the box I found this. So don't chunk it before you look through everything. And I believe that this is a connector here. If you just rather do a direct hookup to your computer, you have this. Over here, you have the stands, and look, oh my gosh, this is heavy. Yeah, and so anyways, yeah. This, I've seen the girls on TikTok mess with this. This is a puller. Okay, I'm not going to pull anything because the girls, what they do is they pull these out and they replace them with these cute characters, keyboard characters to make it look so cute. I'm not going to go that far because when I take something apart, I'm not going to be able to put it back together, okay? And these are some type of clickety-clack keys, okay? They're supposed to, depending on how these are, they're supposed to make a certain type of sound, okay? I am absolutely fine with the way this is. So let me go ahead and unplug my other keyboard and plug this one in, and hopefully we'll be able to see lights. But if we don't see the lights, y'all know why. Okay, I've hooked it up. It was so super easy to do. And basically the instructions, a pop-up comes up on your computer screen and just follow those instructions. It was so super easy to do. Okay, and to my surprise, when I turned it on, looky. Let me shut this light off. And this one too. It's got lights, y'all. You probably won't be able to see them very well. And it's like they're just, it's like a wave. There, you'll probably see that and listen to how these do. Oh my gosh. Let me open a new window. I love it. So anyways, this is the end of my video. So if you would like to see more hauls that are not crafty hauls, just let me know. But not crafty, but something that you could use in your craft room, you know, and I'll be more than happy to show it to you. Okay, thank you so very much for watching. I'm going to go ahead and switch this because I'm also into mouse, and this is the other mouse that I bought. Okay, so you've probably seen me use this one before, but I like it. Oh, and there are these new mice. I was going to say mouses, but no, mice is the plural. There are these new mice that have come out that it's more like a pyramid, and they're supposed to be very ergonomic, but you know what? Between you and me, I really don't care for that design, and I'm happy with a mouse like this. So, yeah, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up, please. I would appreciate it. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that. And leave me a nice comment. Let me know if this is something that you would be interested in. working on your whenever you're working in your craft room, and let me know if you would like to see more videos like these that would help you in the craft room. Okay, thank you for watching. I will see you once again real soon. Bye now.